Okay, Dr. R here, covering another epi question. First off, push pause, take some time to answer the question, and then write out why each one is correct and incorrect. All right, so let's dive right in. Which of the following variables is a confounder in this study? So that's the lead in. I removed none of the above because it's not an appropriate NBME style. Let's look at the answer choices here. So these are definitely different variables. They're probably collected here. Yep, they're collected here in the question stem. So let's just dive into the question stem. A study is conducted to evaluate the relationship between alcohol consumption and the development of liver disease. Okay, so we have alcohol consumption causing liver disease. So that's our causal pathway, right? So this is supposed to cause that. We know that there definitely is an association there, right? Alcohol and the development of liver disease in a population of heavy drinkers. So that is a big issue. All right. The researchers collect data on age, gender, smoking status, and family history of liver disease. Which of the following variables is a confounder? So age. So is age, so remember we have to have confounder lives up here like this, right? And so what about age? So alcohol, the age, there is a relationship here. But does age relate to alcohol use? The older you are, the more likely you are to drink. I don't know if that's completely true, but it's not completely untrue. Age does have a relationship with liver disease, but we are talking about heavy drinkers here, right? So these aren't just light drinkers, these are heavy drinkers. So age does not necessarily relate to the heavy drinkers. So I don't know if that is the most likely. I'm going to say that it's not completely incorrect. So I'm going to put that one down. Family history of liver disease. So if there's a family history of liver disease, is that an issue here? Does family history have ETOH, heavy drinkers? Yes, there's a relationship there. Family history and liver disease, especially with heavy drinkers? Yes, so that's a relationship. We also need to realize that liver disease is not just caused by alcohol. Liver disease can also be caused by all different kinds of reasons, right? So there can be cancer, there can be other forms of liver disease, you can have different kinds of liver failure, you can have genetic diseases, you can have hepatitis, you can have... So family history has a relationship above and beyond just alcohol use or heavy drinking and alcohol use for liver disease. So this actually has a twofold effect on liver disease, family history, not just heavy drinkers, because we do know that heavy drinking can run in families as well. So we have alcoholism. There's an association between alcoholics within families, but we also know that there can be a genetic component to liver disease as well. So that one is quite likely to be a confounder. Now, what about gender? Does gender have a relationship with heavy drinking? It might, actually, but I don't know the literature on that, and I don't know if there is just always males are more likely to become heavy drinkers or females or ETOH, and then drinking in gender causing liver disease. I don't know if that is your strongest. I really think that family history is stronger than gender. So I'm going to rule that one out. Smoking status. So smoking status can have an association, with liver disease. Does smoking status have a relationship with being a heavy drinker? Probably. I would almost say that people who tend to drink potentially tend to smoke as well. But I don't think the relationship between smoking and liver disease is as strong as the family history. So I'm going to rule that one out as well, because I think that family history is stronger. I also think age is stronger with liver disease. But given that there is a twofold impact, right? So family history with alcoholism and some other factors like cancer or genetics causing liver disease, I think family history is the most correct answer, even greater than age.